Hello students, I am Anju Prajapat. Welcome to our YouTube channel Krishnam Group of Education of Krishnam Public Senior Secondary School. Today we read chapter 2, Migration of Families. There are two words, migration and families. We all know about families. Now we discuss about migration. What is migration? Movement of any person from one place to another place. Okay, what is migration? Movement of any person one place to another place. It is called migration. There are many families which migrated from one place to another. Okay, वन सच फैमिली इज संतूस फैमिली. इनमें से एक संतू की फैमिली है. संतूस फैमिली लिव्ड इन विलेज एंड देयर मेन ऑक्यूपेशन वॉज agriculture, and occupation means their business, their job. Okay, and agriculture, farming. But his family had to face a big trouble due to a drought in their village. Okay, but उन्हें face करनी पड़ी big problem. Okay, due to drought. Okay, drought means lack of water, especially for irrigation, and irrigation means सिंचाई. Okay, for the last 2 years they didn't even have sufficient food to eat. Okay, they have not enough food to eat last 2 years. That is why Santu migrated to his nephew's village with his family and cattle. There he arranged for a small accommodation on rent. Accommodation means their house. He take house on rent. Started searching for some occupation and started searching new job. After a few days he got work there, and therefore he started living in that village with his family. However, it was not all the easy for him to live there. Soon he started missing his own village. Okay, like we go other place, then we miss our house. Just like Santu also recall his house. Okay, he missing his village. He got news that there was a very good rain in his village this year. Therefore he took his family and cattle with him and returned to his village. Okay, he come back his village. Okay, there are some questions. Please read and find out the answers. Now we read next story about Dheeraj. Dheeraj has a son and a daughter. He was working in a village on the basis of daily wages, and daily wages meaning is he had to no permanent work. He had to do work that he find on this day. Okay, his son was studying in 12th standard. It means 12th class, and his daughter was in 10th standard. When his son passed the senior secondary examination, then Dheeraj decided to send his son to the city for his higher study. Okay, why he sent his son to city? Because of his higher studies. Okay, he thought that if his son went to live in the city away from his family for studying, then the expenditure of the family would increases, and expenditure means expenses and increases means बढ़ना. Then he thought that कि अगर उसका सन सिटी चला जाएगा तो उनके फैमिली के एक्सपेंसेस है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. एंड व्हेन हिज डॉटर कंप्लीट्स हर स्कूल एजुकेशन आफ्टर 2 years, then he will also send to city for her higher education. Okay, then he will have to send her also to the city for her higher education. Therefore he decided that as he was working on daily wages in his village, he will migrate with his family to city and do the similar work there also. Okay, then he decided he migrated to city and do same work in city. When he moved to the city, he faced a lot of trouble in getting a house on rent, as the rental charges in the city are very high. It means so expensive. He took a room on rent far away from the main city because of क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो रूम थे वो महंगे थे, इसलिए वो कहाँ चला गया, दूर. ओके, ही टेक रूम ऑन रेंट फार अवे फ्रॉम द मेन सिटी. His family members had to accommodate themselves in that room for all their activities like living together, sleeping together, cooking, etc. Okay. His neighbors were also new for him and he had to make more efforts for daily labor. Okay, उसके neighbors थे वो भी उसके लिए न्यू थे, इसलिए उसे डेली लेबर में एफर्ट्स डालना पड़ा. ओके, द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ लिविंग वर वेरी हाई द सिटी. That is why he started working as a labor during day time and at night. Okay, he do work both times, day and night. He used to work as guard to earn more. Okay, but he decided to go back to his village after the completion of higher studies of his children. Okay, he go back his village after the completion of studies. Okay, you must have noticed in your surroundings मतलब हमारे चारों ओर, that there are many students who have to leave their home for higher education. They live in hostels, arranged rooms for rent for their studies. Okay, there are some questions. You read these questions and please find out the answer. Now we read next story about Govind Ram. Govind Ram and his family lived in Janyana village. Okay, which village? Janyana village. He had a small general store there. General store means they have a shop. The earnings from the shop were only sufficient to fulfill basic needs. Basic needs, it means food, cloth, house, etc. of his family. His sons were growing up gradually. Gradually means continuously. उसका जो सन था वो gradually growing up कर रहा था, बढ़ रहा था. One day, Govindram's cousin, maternal uncle's son, okay, maternal uncle's son, visited his place and he took both his sons means Govindram's sons and maternal uncle's sons with him to work in his shop in the city. As time passed, Govindram's son चंद्रराम wanted to start his own business. ओके, जब चंद्रराम को भी सिटी ले जाया गया तो चंद्रराम ने अपना खुद का ऑन बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने की सोची. ओके, फॉर दिस दे हैड टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक शॉर्टेज ऑफ मनी की कमी, लैक ऑफ मनी, अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रॉपर स्पेस. ओके, स्पेस की शॉर्टेज मतलब कम जगह में उन्हें रहना पड़ा. बट दे डिडंट गिव अप, लेकिन उन्होंने गिव अप नहीं किया. Their relatives helped them and soon their business started. Okay, giving them good returns. बाद में उनका जो बिजनेस था वो प्रॉफिट देने लगा. His business giving him good returns. They called their family to live with them in city. Living together, their brothers and sisters started studying in the city. Today, they are well settled in the city, running their business. Well settled means अच्छे तरीके से रहने लगे, और रनिंग देयर बिजनेस मीन्स बिजनेस को चलाते हुए. बट दे स्टिल मिस देयर पेरेंटल विलेज. लेकिन वो अभी भी अपने पेरेंटल विलेज को मिस कर रहे थे. दे मिसिंग पेरेंटल विलेज. दे विजिट देयर विलेज ऑन स्पेशल ओकेजन्स लाइक फेस्टिवल्स, small get together, etc. Okay, there are some questions. Please find out the answer of these questions. Now we read about next story. There is a town named Galiakot in Dungarpur district. Okay, Galiakot in Dungarpur district. Here the world famous holy shrine of Muslim Sant Fakhruddin. Okay, shrine means temple. Okay, then temple of Muslim Sant Fakhruddin. Okay, Sheetla Mata temple, Jain temples and Somnath temples. Okay, these are the temples which are excellent example of architecture. These are excellent. Excellent means very good example of architecture, and architecture means good art. Okay, designing art. Architecture means art of designing. Due to the construction of Kandana Dam in Gujarat state. Okay, Gujarat state में कंदाना डैम के कंस्ट्रक्ट मीन्स बिल्ड होने के कारण दिस एरिया बिकेम अ लो लेइंग एरिया. ये कैसा एरिया बन गया? लो लेइंग एरिया, बिलो द सी लेवल. ओके, बिलो द सी लेवल मीन्स समुद्र तल के नीचे वाला एरिया. वाटर स्टार्टेड अक्यूमुलेटिंग मतलब वहाँ इकट्ठा होने लगा इन द टाउन ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन. देयरफॉर द गवर्नमेंट कंस्ट्रक्टेड, इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ने हाउसेस कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाए. ओके, द गवर्नमेंट कंस्ट्रक्टेड हाउस फॉर द पीपल एट अनदर प्लेस and also provide facilities like school, hospitals, etc. Okay, उन्हें facilities provide करवाई. Okay, government provide facilities to migrated people like school, hospitals, etc. Today this place is known as rehabilitation colony. Okay, which name? Rehabilitation colony. But there are some people who have not left their farms, fields and are still living there. But some people not leave their farms. Okay, उन्होंने कुछ लोगों ने अपना घर नहीं छोड़ा, अपने फील्ड्स नहीं छोड़े, और वो अभी तक भी उन्हीं लो लेइंग एरिया में रह रहे हैं. They still living there. Okay, there are some questions. Please find out the answers of these questions. There are some pictures. Okay, this picture is flood area and this picture is migrated area. Now we read about the basic needs earlier and in present time. Earlier the food, clothing and shelter were the basic needs of the people. Okay, earlier it means बहुत पहले, मतलब पहले जो हमारी बेसिक नीड थी. पीपल्स बेसिक नीड्स इज फूड, क्लॉथिंग, शेल्टर. ओके, these three things are our basic needs. But in present time, now food, clothing, shelter, education, employment and other comforts have become the basic necessities. But in present time, our basic needs are food, clothing, shelter, education, employment and other comforts. Other comforts means luxury facilities. Okay, have become our बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़, नेसेसिटीज़ मतलब नीड्स, हमारी बेसिक नीड्स बन गई है ये। ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न, because of this reason many people are migrating from their hometowns. ओके, जो बहुत से लोग हैं वो इन्हीं बेसिक नीड्स को फाइंड करने के लिए, गेट करने के लिए, प्राप्त करने के लिए अपने होम टाउन्स को माइग्रेट कर रहे हैं, वहाँ से मूव कर रहे हैं एंड लिविंग एट अदर प्लेस, एंड दूसरी जगहों पे रह रहे हैं। ओके, now this chapter is complete. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel.